What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Today we're going to be doing custom Rice Krispie treat wrappers. So this is an easy one. Here we go. I got the 8-pack. Make sure you get the smaller Rice Krispie treats and not the larger. Those are my wrappers, and I'm just showing you this pack that I got from Amazon of scissors. And if you see the squiggly lines, those are the ones I chose to use. And of course, I'm using my hot glue gun. So to get started, I'm just going to take my time and cut out my, what is this called, guys? Help me out. I'm tired. I've been party planning for like a week. But I took the time to cut out neatly my wrappers. These only fit the regular Rice Krispies. So make sure you don't get the longer one or they won't fit. Just make sure you get the 8-pack. So first I'm just going to start by taking mine. I like these because they have the little name on the front where you can write a note. And this time I put them face down. And I'm just, laying it out because you want to make sure everything is fit nicely before you start to glue. So I decided to put some glue on the back of the wrapper. I'm laying down the blank side first, and then I will glue down the nutrition facts because that will be the back of the packaging. Once you get that nice and fitted and glued down, you just want to take your time to make sure the ridges line up. Now I have ridges because of the squiggly scissors that I use to cut, because if you look at a Rice Krispie treat, they have squiggly lines. So I wanted to replicate that look. Now you go ahead and press down your sides before you use your hot glue because you want nice, neat seams. So I'm taking my time and I'm not applying the glue right in the front, but maybe like a ½ inch back closer to the actual Rice Krispie treat, because when you go to press, some glue will squeeze out. I made that mistake and a little bit of the glue seeped out. It's all right. I just took a leftover piece of paper and went ahead and cleaned it up. Once it's dry, it'll be easy to pull off as well. Make sure you have clean hands when doing this, guys, because it will show up later. So once again, I'm just giving you, a slower version. I cut it out. Make sure when you print, you go ahead and print 2 wrappers, 2 images per paper. That's how you'll have the right size to fit over your Rice Krispie treat. For the top, I just trimmed right where there's going to be a black line, and at the bottom I trimmed it right under this little yellow part, and then I'm obviously going to go and trim right down the middle to make the paper the correct size for the wrapper. This time I'm choosing to put the Rice Krispie in face up, and like I said, I like the circle. I chose to write on there. They say there's something to love about. This is my son's first birthday, but I didn't want everything to be about him. So I picked a name of each of the guests and I wrote, there's something to love about Nana, Gigi, Aunt Kay, so that when you open them, you just see something nice. So once again, you fold the blank white side down first, and then you come up and glue the nutrition facts side down. After you get that done, you'll just glue your sides. And like I said before, make sure your hands are nice and clean, because if not, when you're using hot glue, when you go to press on the packaging, if your hands are dirty, the hot glue will pick up that color. And I think I have a little example of that here coming up where you can see some of the hot glue on my packaging. But this is a really custom way, and that's a nice way to just show you care, to add an extra touch. And believe me, guys, people will notice things like this when you have your parties. If there are any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I will be sure to answer. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I will see you in Vlogmas Day 4, where we will be doing more custom party planning. There you go, and I'll just show you some last looks. All right, guys. See you in the next one, and be blessed.